Guys, come with me to Opulence. Dito siya sa Chao Phraya River. So, you're going to sit or you're going to ride sa may Icon Siam. And guys, inclusive na siya lahat. So, meron ka ng dinner, meron na siyang cruise, meron ka ng everything else here. May pakanta pa sila dyan. But drinks are not included. So, if ever, yung mga alcoholic beverage, pero yung mga juice kasama yan. So, this is a classy entryway. Aakyat ka. And then, syempre, sa rooftop kami nakaupo dito. Para alam mo, rooftop vibes tayo. And you're gonna see the Icon Siam. Ang ganda talaga ng mall na yan, guys. So, here, nag-order kami ng extra drinks and extra wine para naman medyo social tayo, diba? And guys, I'm going to show you all of the buffet meals here. May mga seafood, may meat, may paella, mayroong mga whatever, everything that you want, nandito yan. Syempre, nag-iiba-iba yan per day, but here is a screenshot of everything that they're going to offer. May sushi rin dito, guys. And of course, ang pinaka-importante dito, makikita mo talaga the whole river. And guys, sino mo to, dadaan ka talaga under the bridge.